Want to know how to enable your viewer history on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of enabling your viewer history. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your device. Tap on the settings and privacy at the bottom. Here, tap on the privacy option at the second. Scroll to the bottom. Then tap on the viewer option at the second last. Here, tap on the switch bar right beside the viewer history to enable it. So this is how you can enable viewer history in your TikTok account. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.